Hello, today I'm in BMW X1. In this video I'll show you how to manage split screen. In the beginning, let's take a look at the screen display. Go to the right and now go to split screen content. Now you can select between arrow display, map facing north, map direction of travel, map view with perspective, position, onboard info, trip computer, and entertainment details. You can enable or disable exit ramp view and traffic coordination gray map. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.